There are several different sample files within QuickBooks that you may want to open just to look at and see how they did something, or if you're looking to set something up yourself in your own file, maybe you want to look in there and see how they did it. I want to show you where those sample files are and what type of files and what you can see by looking at those files. The way you're going to get to the sample files in QuickBooks is right here. It says open a sample file and there's an arrow to the right. You're going to have at least one product-based business and one service-based business. You might have several others depending on the version of QuickBooks that you have. I'm going to go ahead and start the service-based business and just open it up. This is a company called Larry's Landscaping Services, and I want to go ahead and show you what the chart of accounts looks like in this particular one. When you're working with one of the sample files, you'll notice that today's date is December the 15th of 2024. I'll just click OK there, and it's going to go ahead and pull up Larry's Landscaping. Now let me go ahead and open the chart of accounts here so that you can see what it actually looks like. And let me scroll to the very top here. You'll notice it's very similar to what we did. It just has a lot more items in the list. We've got several different bank accounts here. And by the way, the ones with the lightning bolt mean they are set up for automatic download from the bank. We've got our current assets, some fixed assets, credit cards, liabilities, and there's a couple here we didn't mention before. We didn't mention the accounts receivable. All that is when you create an invoice, that creates what's called accounts receivable. It's money that customers owe you. This account will automatically be created once you create your first invoice. The flip side of that is you'll see there's one here called accounts payable. These are all the bills you've entered that you haven't yet paid. Once you create your first bill, you'll see that will populate there, and then you'll have some accounts payable. Looking down this list here, you can see there's several different equity accounts like we had talked about. Here's their owner equity. They set theirs up very similar to the way I set ours up. You've got owner's equity, and there's owner contributions and owner draws. There's several income accounts below. They've got one cost of goods sold and then the rest of the expense accounts. And you'll notice with a lot of these expense accounts, they have sub-accounts below. Notice how they set up automobile. We had done fuel as a sub-account, but they've also got insurance, licenses and fees, and maintenance and repairs. They've got insurance down here. Some people put auto insurance under insurance. That's certainly okay. It's just where would you like to see it on a report? And you can see all of these other ones all the way down the list. Let's go ahead and close this one, and I want to take a peek at the other sample file. I'll just go up to File and say Close Company. And the other one is a construction company, so it's going to have more of the inventory in it, and it's going to have a lot of things that a product-based business would actually have. Today's date is December 15th, 2024. And this is Rock Castle Construction. I'm going to go ahead and pull up their chart of accounts. And you'll see it's very similar to Larry's Landscaping, but it's going to have quite a few additional accounts that we didn't see previously. We're going to actually be using this for the rest of our videos, and that way you'll get a really good feel for how this chart of accounts is set up. Let's go ahead and go over into the last section in this module, Section 5. I want to show you a new feature in the 2020 version called the Company File Search. Okay, let's go ahead and wrap up Module 3. We've been talking about customizing the QuickBooks environment, and the last thing I want to talk to you about is the Company File Search option, which is new in the QuickBooks 2020 version. It's not a big deal. It's just a way of searching for a file that you may not see initially on the screen when you go to open a file. If your company file is closed, you're going to notice that the last few company files you had opened would be in this list right here. You could double click and just open them. If you were looking for one that was not on this list, you could go over here to open and search your computer. But they've got a new feature now in the 2020 version where you can actually have QuickBooks pull all the QuickBooks files and then you can search through those. It makes life a lot easier when you have your company files all over the place in your computer. I'm going to click on Find a Company File. What it's doing now is scanning QuickBooks, and it's going to pull up all the company files that it can find. And what's going to happen is once they all pop up here, then we're going to be able to search for one through this list. While it's scanning, notice it's scanning my local drive on my computer, but I could have it look through any removable media such as a flash drive, or I can have it look through a network that I might have. Once it's finished scanning, you can type in the name of the company file that you happen to be looking for, and go ahead and hit search over on the right, and there's your company file right there. All you have to do is select it and hit open, and that's going to open your company file. That's really all there is to working with the new feature, the company file search. This is going to wrap up Module 3, where we've been talking about customizing the QuickBooks environment. We're going to head over now to Module 4 and start talking a little bit about working with customers and jobs.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. Now, to get a free QuickBooks Pro 2020 introductory course, click over there. And click over there to watch all the videos in this QuickBooks Pro 2020 playlist.